Welcome to Filmoments tutorials. So in this video, let's talk about what's new in Safari with iOS 15. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. So Apple's browser has undergone a big redesign. So first, Apple has shifted the address bar to the bottom and moves away even further when you scroll down a page. So this will give you an easy access to the address bar and options even if you're using one hand only. Now you can switch between tabs by swiping on the address bar, so just like you switch between apps on your iPhone. So you can create a new tab group and name it according to how you like it. You can open a new tab in that group or import an already open tab by long pressing that tab and adding it to that group. So aside from that, you can now customize your home page and set a background image on Safari. Scroll down and then tap on Edit. You can turn off some tabs in your home screen like favorites, frequently, and more. So at the bottom, you can choose an image from the default background or you can upload one from your gallery. So let's try this one. You can also try searching by voice. Tap on the address bar and tap on microphone. What's the weather today? For more videos like this, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching. Until next time, bye for now.